talking about?
What the world was that?
Special adjustment. You okay?
All right, Mrs. K, just a little pressure to unroll that back, okay? Big breath in, and drop. Oh, no.
I'm sitting up
I
straight.
haven't done that in 40. You good?
Hell yeah, my guy!
Nice and steady, just keep breathing. Almost there, ready for the finale. Oh, my neck, oh, my table.
Dude, you good?
I'll live. Table's done, though.